the control plane is, this is the control plane, how it is working. Okay. I hope it's.
Do we have login to the current network to show any example?
No, this the only I showed right now.
Lab. No, current environment. Our present network, Sun or it.
No, that I don't have, but it will be, see, if you, there will be so many things there, right? You will be confused. If you see here, right, we can see, like, suppose I go and check in the this route is there here, 192.168, 170.1, correct? This is learn to 35 via the point to point, correct? Now, if it is learn to 91, we can actually see how it is learning via 33, 30, like these are the RRs, right? For 35, 33 is the RR. For 33, 30 is the RR. So you can see like everything very easily in this. Okay, for understanding purpose, this is actually better. Anyway, I don't have access. Okay. So if I see the route 9 in 91, I see the 192.168, 70.1, right? You can see, right, how it is learning actually. You can see all the understanding wise. It's see, this is the route, right? 70.1. So if you see show router 3000 route table 192. So you can see you're learning from 35, right? How 35 path is via the LDP. LDP you can see via LSP trace, right? OM LSP trace prefix what path is taking, right? Prefix slash 32. So this path is taking, right? 29 to 30, 30. This is the for the transport tunnel. But for the your PGP route, right? You can see, right? Where I gone? Sorry. You can see, right, this route is learned via the VPN IPv4. Before importing to this VPRN, right, it is in the BGP, BGP, you can see, right, how we are learning, which are the clusters, everything you can see here, how it is following. In actual network, right, there are multiple other things also. So which, like you will be having BGP label also, LDP or RSVP also, other vendor device also, right? And due to some issues, somewhere what will happen, they will block the traces, all right? So trace may not work because in the CPM filter or somewhere they will block it due to one or another reason. Okay, but the basic concept remain the same here. Okay, how to troubleshoot, how to see the route, everything, right?
Yeah, Jitendra, one question to there. That next hop self command is configured on inline RR or on that 3591 also?
See, it is not configured. That's what I said, right? Suppose in this I am seeing, right, 91, 35 is there. Okay, 91 I am learning the route for the this IP. Okay, 70. If you see here, same I am checking. So I am learning from 29, but the next hop is showing 35 only. Okay, because next hop self is not configured. Okay, if you see, right, in 91 I am learning this route 192.168.70.1 via 35. Okay, and next hop is 35.
आपको मेल किया हूँ,
should show actually 29.
मेरा आईडी लॉग
it should show 29, but it is not showing. Okay, if you see, right,
और ये आपके में मैं सेपरेट तरीके
इसके ऊपर, we can change it if you want. We go to 29. Okay. Configure router BGP, we can configure this it, configure router BGP info. This is our client, right? Next hop self, this it. This is to 91, right? Now if you see here, again go to 91, right? The next hop which is coming to 35, right? Now if you see, from 35, next hop is 35. Okay, still is showing 35. Okay, once again, VPN IPv4 के लिए also we have to create actually policy, and there we have to apply it. Okay, this is only for the next hop actually it should change here. Most probably we have to create a policy for VPN IPv4 route also. Okay, so in here we have to create like configure router policy option. Again, policy statement. Not sure why not changing, but we change karna, we have to do that only. Somehow it is still showing that only 35 only. But correct only, we have to change here only next top self. Maybe some policy modification we have to do. That's it. Okay. See, we are learning from 29 only, but next top still is 35 only. Somehow it has not changed. Period outer, everything is there. Okay, that is some policy only, Santosh, we have to change somewhere. In this 29 only, but maybe this policy is not correct or something more is required. Okay. In this also we can do next top sale, change 33 maybe, I think. Okay, one second.
Hi, Jitin.
Yeah, hi.
Farooq here. These all nodes are in MS, right? So
Same as.
why we to configure that next of cell? Actually, this next of cell we are configuring because if we need any IBGP route advertised to the next IP, right?
No, Santosh. No, Santosh asked that question. Santosh asked that question. So I think that should not be an issue. We can configure. I think this. If this is acting as a RR, right? Then suppose you have transport tunnel from 91 to 29 only, right? In case we are using BGP level, right? So that scenario, suppose 91 may be learning the route via the 29 only. So this 35 IP directly I have configured this on the same ISIS domain. Okay, in live it could be like these are the different ISIS domains, so you cannot learn the 35 IP may be learning via BGP level, and next hop will be 29 only. So in that scenario, I think that next hop self will work here. Okay, but not for the VPN IPv4. It's not working somehow. Okay.
You have to configure it in VPN, VPN and export policy for next of self.
Yeah,
because this is VPN route, no?
I configured here, in this configure out to BGP, which is client to client. This one only, right?
No. But you have export policy for VPRN 3000. Is there any configured VPRN 300 here?
No, this is the RR for that node, okay, where we are importing, right? 29.
Now this RR, is there any VPR? Because this is VPR, this is inner policy, the inner route should not be changed, no? For you are changing just next of cell for just BGP route, that is level IPv4 route. Just say you have changed
No.
next of cell. There is label IPv4 route. Only loopback IP address should be changed as a next of cell, but VPN routes should not be changed. No?
Correct. It's not changing also. That's what we are seeing.
Now I think you have to change as VPN only. If there is any VPN for 300, then from protocol
No.
BGP VPN something advertised.
In this node we are not correct. These are only acting as a RR only.
And so then it is not possible, no?
Not
This
possible.
is VPN V4 route, na? VPN V4 route. That is inner level should not be changed, no? That level only removed by 921.
Correct.
91 and 35, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Because this is inner level, na?
Correct.
Yes.
Only for outer level should be changed. That means 35 people can next, so then 35 should be changed. If we check 35, then next one should be 29. If we check 91 for routing table of 35, loopback 35, then 29 should be the next of.
And all the routes actually reachable via ISIS. No? So system IPs are reachable via ISIS in the network domain. So I don't think there will be issue, right? If you are using BGP label and all, then only you can change next of cell for there.
So
fine, right?
BGP level is not working. We have not configured BGP.
No, not BGP. It's a BGP plain BGP plus VPN IP4 only. Okay. So that's it. This is what basic only we wanted to cover.
Jatin,
Yes.
please share the slides and configuration files and all that. So we will try in our laptop the same topology.
Configuration file, so means basic ISIS and this is there. This is a lab node, so there are a lot of config is there, which is not relevant to this also. There could be hundreds of interface. Okay, just a basic I have configured like ISIS, then RSVP, LDP, and this BGP. That's it, and the VPN in between 35 to 91.
It's okay, it's fine. But actually, I wanted all admin display configs of all these nodes. So I will check it manually and I will try in my laptop. So can you please share this same in team chat?
I'll share this slide. You want the admin config for all. That's what I'm saying. See, if suppose I go to 33, right? There are very unnecessary, which is not relevant to this. If you try this, means it will be see. There are a lot of interface which are other config which is not relevant. Okay. Just basic ISIS and that's what I'm saying, right? I configure ISIS, LDP, RSVP, and that's it, BGP.
Okay.
And then I configure VPN between 35 and 91. Okay. I'll share this slide anyway. Okay, slide I have prepared for this only. Okay. So most of the command, whatever we discuss, I have added here already in this thing. Okay. If any other command and everything is there, you can any detail you required, you can let me know. Okay. Please share.
Concluded the session or still there?
No, so I think if no further query, we can conclude the session, right? If you any further query, then
Have we covered that is correct export and import policy configuration or like that?
for what?
On my P devices. No, that means last time we have faced one outage where someone has configured incorrect export policy, that is from protocol BGP VPN and to protocol BGP. I think that is covered later, might be, right? Or out.
No, see, if you want to see any, I'm not sure which issue. Maybe we'll discuss what is the issue that we'll plan. Okay. Here I have not configured any policy because I just configure. So for example, see, configure service VPN in the 35, right? I wanted to keep it simple only. See, configure 3000. Okay. Here I have not configured any policy. You see, right? So whatever route we are advertising, that will be this only. Okay. And import also will be based on this. So whatever route I am advertising from here, that will be the RT for this, right? And whatever I import, that is also based on this only. Where RT is this, I'll import those route. Okay. you can create a policy also, import export specifically, okay, to advertise some other RT and to import some other IT, okay. Those things you can do, okay. For that a policy is required, okay.
The BRF export import is not there, no?
No, it's not there because see, if suppose this is what I'm saying, I want to import only 3000 colon 3000 and I want to export only 3000 colon 3000, right? So though this command will do, okay. So whatever route I am advertising, it will advertise with community 3000 colon 3000, okay, and whatever coming with this community also I'll import, okay. But if you don't want this thing and you want to import some other community and you want to import other community and export other community, then you have to create a policy, okay. In that you can give policy, you can give multiple communities, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Here import also, export also. Here you can do only with the one route target, okay. So this is easy in the lab and all too for understanding purpose, right? If any issue you are trying to understand or something in lab, so it's actually help to understand better rather than having multiple things, right? So in your in the production network there will be some export policy, import policy. That's it. Those will also have the same thing. There will be import policy will also have the communities defined, and it is also like a committee only, okay. Okay. Okay, fine. So if no other query, then we can conclude, right? Santosh?
Yeah, slide thoda भेज दीजिएगा बस.
I'll send it to you now. Okay, you can further communicate, okay?
Okay, fine.
Hello, Jitendra, one query is there. If there are LDP is preferred, then we want for RSVP. Can we shift it forcefully?
Yes, we can do that. Suppose one second. In this node, I have one node. I have both this thing, right? So this 35 I have configured both. Okay. So 35 I am learning. So in this, okay, show router 3000 root table, right? I am learning a route via from the other end device. Okay, that is 33. Okay. I am learning via LDP. So I have only show router LDP binding active prefix show router tunnel table. Okay, I'll see. I'm learning via this only. Okay, go to 91 show router.
आपने 929 पे बनाया था ना 921 पे.
So I am learning. See here, I am learning via. I think someone has done changes once again.
नहीं तो कहाँ देखा?
Once again. 91 35.
ये कब ये?
35 में ही था. Okay, once again. Show router MPLS. So okay.
ट्रेनिंग है? ये अलग है क्या? हे तुझे कर मोबाइल कनेक्ट.
See वो हमने next of self कर दिया ना. That's why it has changed actually. See. Okay. One second. I'll go to 33. I'll remove the next of self. Okay. Configure service VPN and configure router PGP. For 33 I don't have anything na RSVP. That's why it's preferring this thing LDP. Next of self इसमें क्या था? No next of self.
कोणाचा? घरी घ्यायचं आहे का इथं घ्यायचं? तर मला पाहिजे नेट.
Show router root table 3000.
प्लॅन कसा आहे याचा?
जिओचं जे रिचार्ज मारतो ना ते सिम त्याच्यात टाकायचं.
अच्छा. मग काय फरक आहे मोबाईल आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये?
त्याच्यातनं भारी स्पीड देतं ना आपल्या मोबाईलवरनं तेवढं स्पीड देत नाही. डिस्कनेक्ट होतं ना मग. घरी जर घ्यायचं असेल तर
कुठलं? केबल पाहिजे ना मित्रा त्या एरियात.
2000चं
एरियात केबल पाहिजे ना त्याचं.
3000चं आहे ना ते चांगलं आहे. मी हे करतोय ना मधून डिस्कनेक्ट होतं पुन्हा मला लॉग इन पूर्ण
चुन्ना मारायचं का? ठीक आहे. एवढ्या मी काय सांगितलं तुला, मी आता 1 घंटा झाला विचारतोय. मला तिथं आहे ना अपडेट द्यायचं आहे. काय अलारामचं त्याच्या का संबंध आहे? पटनामध्ये किती डाऊन आहे हे सांग. त्या. याच्यात काय गरीब आणि श्रीमंतीच्यात बी गरीब असते का? का माही
लेट्स सी अभी चेंज हुआ क्या, एक बार देखते हैं. रूट आना बंद हो गया तो आ गया. ठीक है, अभी देखो टनल आरएसवीपी आ गया. ठीक है, अभी शो राउटर अगर टनल टेबल देखेंगे ना हम इसका, तो यू कैन सी राइट कि आरएसवीपी को फॉर दिस 91 वी हैव टू टनल्स. ओके, वन इज आरएसवीपी, वन इज एलडीपी. ओके, सो व्हाई शोइंग आरएसवीपी, टू थिंग्स है इसमें. एक तो हमने वीपीआरएन के अंदर क्या कॉन्फ़िगर किया उस पर डिपेंड करता है. सी ओके, हियर यू कैन डिफाइन कि आपको क्या चाहिए, राइट. सपोज ऑटो पॉइंट टनल के अंदर जाके हम राइट यहाँ पे हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. ओके, रिजोल्यूशन फिल्टर कि आपको वेदर यू वांट टू डू इट वाया द. सी इसमें हमने क्या किया हुआ है, इसमें वी कैन डिफाइन कि हमको सिर्फ एलडीपी से चाहिए. ओके, सी विल डिफाइन एलडीपी एंड देन यू कैन कॉन्फ़िगर यहाँ पे ऑटो बाइंड फिल्टर. ठीक है, रिजोल्यूशन ऑटो बाइंड फिल्टर, एक दिस इज वन वे. ओके, सी द वीपीआरएन के अंदर यू कैन डिसाइड कि वेदर यू वांट टू इंपोर्ट वाया द आरएसवीपी, एलएसपी और सेगमेंट राउटिंग. ओके, अभी हमने यहाँ पे वी हैव कॉन्फ़िगर्ड एनी, सो जो भी अवेलेबल रहेगा इट विल प्रेफर. ओके, एंड इट विल प्रेफर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर टनल टेबल. ओके, अगर आपको वीपीआरएन के अंदर नहीं करना है तो देन यू कैन चेंज द प्रेफरेंस आल्सो, राइट. कॉन्फ़िगर राउटर एलडीपी support tunnel table preference is there, right. Once again I'll see flat tunnel preference configure router LDP.
इथं होती काय दिवस ती, इथं होती काय दिवस.
सेगमेंट राउटिंग का तो शो कर रहा है, पता नहीं इसका भी करना चाहिए शायद. कॉन्फ़िगर राउटर
स्मेल मत होती इथं होती ती 6 महिने काम करायचं नाही का ती.
वो देखना पड़ेगा.
स्टॉप कर देना संतोष भाई, रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दो.
वो सी वन इज वाया वीपीआरएन ओनली वी कैन डू. ओके, सेकंड आई हैव टू सी लाइक सेगमेंट राउटिंग का तो वी कैन डू इट. ओके, इन सेगमेंट राउटिंग यू कैन डिफाइन. ओके, फॉर सेगमेंट राउटिंग एंड यू कैन गो एंड डिफाइन व्हाटएवर द प्रेफरेंस यू वांट. ओके,
नाही ते
एलडीपी आई नीड टू चेक.
येत होती तर
हियर यू कैन गिव लाइक सपोज वन, इफ यू गिव दैट विल बी मोस्ट प्रिफर्ड. LDP के लिए there is no direct command, but maybe you have to see if there something is there.
काय म्हणता नवरदेव.
हॅलो,
You can configure SDP, I think, and then that is also one way to do it. Okay, in the VPRN you can bind a SDP. Okay,
हे अडून ना 2 वाजेपासून लिंक.
that is one way. Or in the auto bind you can select the LDP itself. Okay, this is the two way.
2 घंट्याचं बघायचं रे.
Tunnel table का preference we have to check. For segment routing we can do LDP. I'm not sure. So check and get back. I get some document. Okay, if I get some document on that.
ठीक आहे. बॅक चेंज टाइम past 2 hours. मी त्याच्या अगोदर
Okay,
4 hours
then if any other, yeah, come. Sorry.
परत घे. कवाचं आहे ते लईच नाईटचं आहे का?
Okay, no,
12 hours.
नथिंग.
Okay, then fine. Then we can conclude.
PPT और ये रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर देना.
Hi, PD I'm sharing with Santosh. He will share. Okay, to everyone. Okay.
Jitin, I have one question.
Yeah, Farooq.
Please show that topology.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, actually, I have one question. How we can get that E1 to P to SHP? If I don't know who is the other entity, then how you can trace that from 35?
So 35 में root table में you can see, right? If you run the show router, right? For each route you can see, right? What is the next hop P? This is the next hop P, right? Correct. So for this route, it will go via 91. If you see in the production, there will be multiple route, right? For each route, it will show what is the next hop node. Okay. From where we learning. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can, if you want to see the originator, na, you can run this command, show router BGP root. This give the root IP and VPN IP4 detail. Okay. So you can see the originator ID also
अरे
here. Okay.
गुजरात मधला पण एक रॅग आहे बघ.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Okay.